DAC, Argentine Directors Association. Distribution of authors' rights. Even more complex than collection is the equitable distribution among all our directors. For cable TV settlement, we use the minute value system that takes into consideration the duration of the audiovisual work and all its repetitions. This allows us to know how many minutes in total it was on the air. But not every minute has value. Only those belonging to cinematographic works and cinema-like works, such as telefilms, TV anthology series, soap operas or documentaries. Entertainment, journalistic and sports shows, among others, are excluded from this system. We know now that there are minutes with value and others without. Now, within the minutes with value, not all the minutes have the same value. There are other factors involved. Type of work. For instance, the cinematographic work has a higher value than telefilm. Why? Because a film director produces an average of 10 pieces of work during its professional life. That is to say, 1,000 audiovisual minutes, which takes 1 year or more of work per piece. Now, this same director can produce these 1,000 minutes of audiovisual work in a month of a daily television soap. That is why they have different values. Another factor we take into consideration when assessing the value of the minute is the type of channel. The audiovisual work can be broadcasted by a channel present in many cable operators or by a regional channel that is present in less cable operators. Let us remember that DAC receives a fee proportional to the amount of subscribers. And lastly, the rating point. This variable includes the audience. This means that not only we consider the type of work, how many minutes it was on the air, how many subscribers the cable operators broadcasting it have, but also how many people actually watched it. For instance, if a work is broadcasted with an audience of 1,000 subscribers, its distribution is not the same that one broadcasted for 10,000 subscribers. To settle rights for free-to-air TV channels, there is a similar treatment in place, except that the amounts depend exclusively on advertising, which at the same time depends on the channel's audience. Concerning the above-mentioned general items, the amount collected is distributed between cable operators. Our work is so precise that it is framed within CISAC's professional rules, which constitute the settlement standards used by similar societies throughout the world. We wish for a secure and fair distribution for all. This way, the only numbers that our directors should be concerned with are the ones on the board. DAC, Argentine Directors Association.